Hey everyone, what's going on? John here, back again with the end of the CRG build. I'm about 4 months overdue on doing this video, and there's actually a good reason behind it. Um, Shortly after the race itself, I wanted to get the video done, get it knocked out, but I was getting ready for vacation, for holidays, and then I got my ankle broken. I was ran into by a rental cart. Not that fun, but so I took some time, made sure I was healed up, and then from there, I've been working on getting my cart back together and going from there. So, like I said in episode 1, back almost a year now, I told you I was going to do a full breakdown and talk about the cart itself, the cost, and things associated with that, and would I do it again. So let's go over real quick. Chassis, $1,000. The long block that I got is $599. Other major parts being the motor accessory kit, that was $431.43. And a seat, I spent $143.72 on it, and tires $211, and then other items like that. Basically, all in all, the build totaled up to close to $3,000. Everything I spent was $2,922.89. Now, this is kind of a worst case scenario build. The cart the chassis was in good shape, but it needed a lot of work. Now, obviously, you can do this for way cheaper, and you can go and find things for, if you look around and do the research and go to different companies, you can find different things. My route was I wanted to do it right. I wanted to do it, right the first time. So that's why it cost me so much. And if you get a good chassis to start with, then your end budget's going to be a lot less, and you can spend more of your time, more of your money on fun things like driving the cart, or going to different tracks, things that I haven't done yet. But big question is, would I do it again? And I'm going to say no. If another situation like this came to me, I would not choose this build. I would rather go new. Like I said, I spent close to $3,000 on this. A brand new Briggs chassis and motor from Burrell is around $4,000. And, for $1,000 more, why wouldn't you do that? Make sure you have new, everything's good. Obviously, if my cart was in a lot better condition, and more items were better set, then yeah, just depends. So, I wanted to keep this video short. Sorry it took me so long to do. I promise I'm going to be working on some videos coming up soon, giving you guys some highlighted, what's been happening, what have I changed to the car, what are some things, what are plans coming up, and we'll go from there. So thank you guys for watching the CRG build video series. If you guys have any questions, shoot them down below, and I'll be happy to, answer those for you. Link, comment, subscribe for more content, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. See ya.